Now in this video we will learn about what is duct insulation, why it is used, and what type of insulation are commonly installed on HVAC duct system. So how we can add duct insulation using Revit. So we learn all these things. So the first question is that what is duct insulation? Duct insulation is a protective thermal layer that we installed on the outer surface of the HVAC duct. So the main purpose of duct insulation is that they can prevent heat gain in cooling ducts, and similarly they can also prevent heat loss in heating duct. Cooling duct means that the cold air flow through the duct, and heating duct means that hot air flow through the duct. So insulation maintain the required temperature as air travel inside the duct. So the next question is that why duct insulation is important. So as you know that the insulation reduces the heat transfer between the duct and the surrounding environment. This means that the system became more efficient, so the energy consumption drops and the moisture problems like condensation etc. are eliminated, especially in case of cooling ducts. There are several types of duct insulation used depending on project specification. So different types of ducts are fiberglass blanket insulation duct, a mineral wool or rock wool duct, elastomeric foam type of duct, and we have a rigid foam board like polyurethane, phenolic board ducts. So now in next step we can add insulation on all these ducts using this Revit. So here you see this is our project. So now you can select a duct. So after selection of duct you just right click on it, and now here you see this is select all instances. So you can select in entire project. So here you see automatically the whole ducting in this entire project is selected. So after selection of this you can move to this option. So here you see this is add insulation option. So here you see these are insulation types. So here we have a rigid fiber board duct, and here is the thickness of insulation. So if you want to add insulation, so then you can select this material from here and click on this material. So here you see we have different type of insulation material. You can select any one material from here. So I want to select this rigid fiber board duct insulation, so you can select on OK. So here you see here we can add all detail, like we can add description of ducting, duct insulation. Here we can add cost, here we can add each and everything here. So after that you can select on OK. So now here you see duct insulation is added on ducts. So similarly you can select these elbow, so you can select all in entire project, and now you can add duct insulation on them. So after adding insulation on elbows, then you can select these T's. So now here you see this is T. So right click on it, select in entire project, and just add insulation on them. So now here we can add insulation on whole ducting.